I am going to make an outfitter's plant pots, the one that has a face in it. So that should be fun. The way I'm gonna do it is the fun part though. So yeah, let's get into it. And I know what you guys are thinking. What is she doing? Is she gonna start doing her hair? No. If you guys have any pets of dolls like this one and you don't know what to do with it, girl, now I'm telling you what to do. So now we are going to draw a corolla to mark her. First, tried to find the widest angle to her head. Just connect the lines. So that is the line where we're gonna cut her, okay? So it's pretty much like taking off like thread. This is what we have so far. She's looking a little peloncita. Hi. 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 Alright, you guys. So now I'm gonna give her a revamp with Rust-Oleum on satin white. I literally feel like Sid from Toy Story. She'll be cuter. I found her in a garage sale for like $2. My son's face. My husband was just telling me, fucking things you come up with. Let's just cut the fucking head of this doll and make it a plant holder. And then I said, well, no girl was gonna literally like play with it because the hair was pretty much gone and like very fucked up. So like, it was like literally impossible for a girl to play with it. And I'm gonna give it, of course, some life by putting a plant on her, and she's gonna look very cute. And I honestly I really like the idea that a lot of designers are doing by just implementing the human figure into pots or plant holders or whatever. Because I honestly feel in the core of my soul that plants just give me life, and whenever I'm taking care of them, even though I don't have a lot or I'm not an expert, I really feel that they give me the happiness throughout the day that I need. When like I see my propagation station or whatever, I look at the roots and they're like this size, and I'm still like all excited. All excited for it. So yeah, I'm very happy to finish this up. I still don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe, so I was thinking of maybe pinning like a real face in it and like make it real cute or whatever. But I also was thinking of just making a terracotta or something, or maybe a stone or whatever. Like, the possibilities on these kind of things are endless, literally. So we'll see. So now that she's like still a little tacky, you just want to grab a little bit of dirt. Alright, you guys, so right now is the next day. I am doing this headbands from the dollar store. They come 6 in a pack. And wrapping it out with raffia from Michael's. And I am trying to do a decoration for this basket. Then I got 8 of this for 99 cents at the thrift store. And I'm trying to make a decoration for my wall. I was initially planning on doing 3 of them because that's what I wanted to do. But then quickly I realized that for each basket, you're gonna have to grab 2.5 packets of these ones, and I only got 2 packets, which it doesn't give me enough headbands for 2 baskets, and also the amount of raffia that I have, it's not enough for 3 baskets. So yeah. All right, you guys, so here we are. She's all dry and ready to go. I already went ahead and did her eyeliner and stuff. So basically with the eyeliner, you just take a black or whatever color you want, and then you just draw her eyeliner as you would if you were doing an eyeliner to yourself. I did change her color, her skin color, because the other one, it was just too like, I wasn't really into it. So I had to change it, and I just used Rust-Oleum on the color terracotta. The mod, one thing that I would say about the mod and stuff like that, it did give her a lot of texture, which it was what I wanted, to make her look like somebody like actually sculpted her and did it and made her by hand. So yeah, that's how she's looking. And right now I'm deciding on what color I want to do her lipstick and her nails. But yes, you guys can get really creative and stuff. So I was looking up some videos on YouTube to see if someone else, already came with the idea of making this kind of dolls into a planter. And thankfully I didn't find anything, but I did find a lot of very cool projects on how to make it in a lot of different ways. If you want to, you can just search like head planters on YouTube and they're gonna come up. But one of them, instead of painting the eyelashes like I did, a girl actually puts fake eyelashes, like the eyelashes you put on your eye, like she put it in her project, and it looked so pretty, like super adorable. And I'm just amazed of, like the human mind, like we all can take, one thing and like have the same result but in a different ways, you know what I mean? So what I really liked about mine, honestly, is that it has hands and you can move them around, because I'm in love with hands. Like I have hands in my home of everything. I have hands that's holding a candle and stuff like that. I just like art in general. So I'm just giving her a second coat. And I chose to go with red because to me, red is a sign, not a sign, but a color of sexiness. And she's gonna look super sexy when I put my string of bananas here. Honestly, the only thing that I do want to say about this paint is that I wish that this was a little bit more potent, like a bloody red, like a very sexy on your face red, instead of this like red. Okay, so when you're done with the headbands, you just want to lay them how you want them to be. And then you're just gonna keep adding hot glue to attach them together. Put a dab of glue right there. And then hold it until it's dry. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna try to be as simple with the explanation of the next step. If I'm not simple enough, you guys can leave comments in the comment section. You can leave the questions. Alright, so with the first layer, which is the bottom one, this one, you are going to paste the headbands to the basket with the hot glue. And the second layer, we're just gonna leave it like that for now. Okay, so I'm gonna lift my project a little bit, and then I'm gonna put a dot there for the first layer that's gonna be outside. And then another dot for the next stick, like that. I hope I'm making sense, but it's the one that is underneath. It's the one that's underneath the second layer, okay? That's the one that we're gonna put hot glue into for now. Hello you guys! Today is the grand reveal of the 2 crafts that I did, and I am so happy to show you everything because it did come out as my imagination, and nothing makes me happier than that. And if you're not, just make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you get notified every time that I upload a video. Yes, Megan? Ooh, great. Okay, so yeah, here it is.